Group study. Very comparative study of remedies in a way, because you're comparing with other groups of remedies, and also studying the remedies on similar lines. So it is both comparison and similarity. You have the metals, larger groups, and then you have, according to much more smaller group. So from metal, plant, animal kingdom, you can come down to very basic families, very basic plant families, very basic animal families, very basic group of metals, very basic group of type of gases. So in this way, we try to divide and analyze at a deeper level, and it makes us aware of the finer points of differentiation, and similarity within the group also makes us aware of the finer points of similarity. So it is like a core study and a finer appreciation of the points of differentiation and similarity. So this is a very interesting study, and you also come to know what are the possible permutations and combinations is also one awareness which you get, because if you study calcarea group and then you study calcarea sulf, calcarea iode, calcarea mure, and calcarea phos, calcarea carb, then how calcarea combines with iode, mure, phos, carb, and its behavior, its properties being calcarea and changing along with the uh, combination of the various elements also is a very interesting group study. Similarly, if you study at a plant level, then a very general group of plants, then you come to a basic group of family, and then within the family again there is a very different type of uh, seed flowering. Accordingly it will show various types of properties, and which you can use in homeopathy, and homeopathically also it will show various types of mentalities, the mind and the physical similarities, and the differentiating patterns will be there. So what are you seeing? A larger pattern and a finer pattern, a very intricate pattern, and a very uh, big design. So this is also group study. Even it can be as simple as gases, oxygen, and oxygen in combination with different elements. Oxygen, um, mm, or it can be noble gases, it can be inert gases. They, when they combine with something, then what more they bring to the personality trait of the person at a physical level, at a mental level. If we think about zoology, then what groups of families of animals are there? What is their behavior? What is their habitat? And then accordingly the various further differentiation in the groups, and then the further differentiation of the families. So the vertebrate, the invertebrate, and the different kind of characteristics that they get, the different kind of behavior that we see in mammals, And when we see in mammals which are domesticated, then what domestication has done to them and what kind of traits that we get. For example, if it is a rabid dog, you have lysinum, and then also from the dog remedy family, you have another remedy that is lactanin. So, two remedies form dog family. That is also a type of group study. So, homeopathy presents like an array of both properties, physical and mental, and which can be studied from this aspect also, physical and mental, as a group, as a subgroup, as a again minor group, and again as a larger major group together. And this gives some very beautiful understanding of the remedy in depth. More understanding at the level of the spectrum, where you have different colors and shades, and so you appreciate the different colors and shades of the remedy. Thank you, friends. This was about group study.